So, what is this video about? Well, it's a video preceding a revisit of the ER40 collet test. All I'm doing first of all is I need a couple of spanners to achieve a new test, and I haven't got them, and I don't want to pay for them, or I've got one but I need to modify it, and I've got a large spanner which is this job here, but it's just not large enough. It's 46mm for the holder, and that's a big ass spanner, and if I were to buy one, I might just have a look. And I'm back. So I've just been and looked, 50 quid for a 46mm spanner, and just not prepared to spend that much money for one test, although I probably will continue to use it. So I had this old spanner kicking about, and I just wanted to put it in the vise, machine it up to 46mm. So this is all the prelude to it, get in there, and then we'll come back to the machining in a minute. So I've got it all set up in the mill, I've got it trued up-ish. I don't think this is truly flat, but I've got it squared up as enough as I need to be. So I'm just going to take the first cut and see what happens. I think I might try and half the thickness of this first of all. I don't know how hard it's going to be, but we'll find out. I mean, I've got a carbide bit in there, so let's do that first of all. Let's go about half height. There we are. And I'm going to touch off. I mean, as you can see, this side here, I think I'll take a photograph of it because I'm not going to move the camera now. This side here has already been cut, and I don't know whether it's been cut with a grinder or a hacksaw or what. This turned out not to be quite as hard as I expected, and I come to the conclusion when I was cleaning up at the wire wheel at the end of the video that I think it's been put into like a furnace or a forge or something like that, because the chrome was far better condition at the ring end than the open end. And I say, it's been cut before, and I'm sure spanners are normally harder than this. One thing I have just noticed is, despite the fact that the beam of the handle is level, this is not, and it's pissed as a fart. I think I've got to try and set that level. Luckily the end of the handle's rounded, so it's not going to be a problem. Yeah, just going to eye it up. I think that's good enough for what I want to do, as long as it's it tightens up. Right, okay, let's touch off again. Right. Hi. Right, let's have a... Four, 3, 2, 8. 4, 6 I need, so what I'm going to do is, since this was already cut, I'm going to just square this bit of the jaw up where you can see that it's just not quite touching. Then I'm going to come back and do the rest of the cut this side. There's been a lot more meat taken out of this side. Right, let's check my width, and then we should know where we are. .43. What I've done is just zeroed it and This should tell me exactly how much I've got to come off. So 2.5 mil. So I'm going to take that 2.5 mil off, and then I'll try it. Half a mil cut each time. Right, I'm just half a mil off, so I'm just going to check it. Point 6. Point 6. Okay. Let's do that 0.6 then. That's a jolly nice fit, that. Just a little bit of twist in it, and that's probably about right. Right, I'm going to just skim across the back here. Right, well, that was only to clean it up, hence why I just hollowed it out. I thought there was just no point in hacking it back. Sweet, that's absolutely beautiful. So there's the end result. Pretty happy with that, really. So I'm just going to run it past the wire wheel and see if it cleans up reasonably well. We'll see. Don't even know what brand it is, but one BS78 Whitworth. Would that be 1 7/8? Must be. Brit tool. Yeah, Brit tool, made in England. Well, there we go. Sometime in its life it looks like it's been flogged with a hammer. Probably didn't do it any favours. Yeah, it'll be alright. It'll serve a purpose. Large A 1480. Well, slap a coat of paint on it, that'd be good to go.